Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Steam account. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. The easiest way to withdraw money from your Steam account is by buying a Steam gift card to someone and asking them to give you real money. Now, there isn't a possible way for you to get rid of your wallet for real money, so you can go into the store, onto the featured, and you can see Steam gift cards. You'll be able to then send through Steam. Pick one that you want, let's say £10. Pick the player, press continue recipient's first name, give your sentiments and your signature. Once you've got that, make sure that you do get your money through a PayPal or a bank transaction. And that's how you can withdraw your money from your Steam balance. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.